Placing the unit. Spot coolers are mounted on caster wheels, so you can place them wherever would be the most useful. We suggest placing units in a central location and positioning the supply arms, which can be bent to almost 90 degrees. That way you can get the maximum coverage from each unit. Step 2. Running the exhaust duct. Whenever we rent or sell a spot cooler, we always include a duct kit. First, you should find a suitable opening for the warm air from the exhaust to go. Typically, our technicians recommend drop ceilings or any doors or windows that lead either outside or into an underused area of the building. Step 3. Condensation Prep. Before you turn on the spot cooler, or really any unit that produces condensation, you should take a second to double check that the condensation tank is empty. Or if you're using the optional water pump and hose, ensure that the pump is aligned and that the hose is secured to a drain or outdoors. Condensation tanks typically take 6 to 8 hours to fill and will automatically shut down the spot cooler, so you don't have to worry about overflow. Just empty the tank, replace it, and turn the unit back on. Step 4. Powering the unit. Most spot coolers are designed to plug into standard 115 volt outlets or extension cords. All of our units are single phase, and the 1 and 2 ton units range from 12 to 20 amps. Some larger spot cooler units like the 3 or 5 ton units run at 220 volts and require a 20 amp or larger circuit and are typically hardwired into a breaker. Step 5. Check your settings. The user panel on the front of the unit is where you'll set your desired temperature, fan speed, and timer set. This is also where any alerts like a full or misaligned drain tank will show up. Step 6. Position the supply. Many units' designs feature adjustable supply arms, which is great for directing airflow exactly where it's needed. For example, one spot cooler unit can direct air in 2 directions within a 130 degree area. Step 7. Simple maintenance. From this point, the unit can be left on to operate normally, with temperature and supply arms being adjusted as needed. Just keep an eye on the condensation tank or hose to make sure the unit is draining as intended, and if you need to move the unit, be sure to power it down and unplug it, just to avoid any damage. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.